Hello everyone, my name is Annie Jacinta. Actually, I was working as a teacher and then I found it very difficult. As everybody know, teaching post is really a tough job. And then I found it something I should do something else rather than teaching. And then later on I came to know I have to do some boutique course and all. And then my brother started searching, and then he found that the dresses is the best place to learn. So he forced me to join here, and then when I came and asked her if I felt, oh, it's a bit tough job only. And then later on I decided to join here, and then I used to come only via weekdays, not even weekdays, only on Saturday, Sundays I used to come. And then I did something 1 month or 1.5 months I came for weekends only. Later on I decided no, it's not good coming only on the weekends. And then I started coming regularly to the class, and then the way of the teaching, the master's patience, everything is really very good. I appreciate and I'm really very happy. And then now I'm ready with everything. I'm ready to start a boutique also. And they teach us very good. They have for their patients what they teach us here. From the basic they teach how we should take the measurement, marking, cutting, stitching, everything. And then now I started taking the orders also, and my customers are really very happy. The main thing, the people see fittings, not the quantity or whatever it is. They want the correct fitting, and I am giving the correct fitting also. And now I have decided to start a boutique very soon. Yeah, thank you sir, and thank you madam for